Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm. I'm really excited about this box. I am going to try out some of the products, which is why I look like these. So let's just go ahead and get started. So it comes with this adorable little pamphlet. So the first thing in the box is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. And it says it's for oily / combination skin. I have combination skin, so hopefully this will work for me. It says after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern and a cooling sensation will occur. Retails for $47. That's almost $50 for this tiny little bottle, so I'm going to use this sparingly. So it's like clear, but it has these little blue beads in it, so I'm just gonna put it kind of in my T-zone area. Oh wow, it smells like, it almost smells peppery. I don't know if I'm applying this correctly. I don't think I like the way this smells at all. So I guess I'm going to let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've had this on for about 10 minutes now and this is what it looks like on my skin. It's very, very tight and I really don't like the scent, but if scents don't bother you, then this might work for you. Now I'm going to go wash it off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed it off and my face feels cold right where I had it and it's still very, very like minty almost. That scent that I did not like does not linger. The pores on my nose actually do look a little less clogged. I think it did what it said it was going to do. This was pretty good, but I will definitely have to try it out a little bit more. Okay, I'm back, but with brows. The next product in the box is the Brow Gel Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers, and this is in the shade Light Hair 03. I already know this is gonna be way too light for me, but I just want to try the formula before I give it away. This retails for $22. Oh wow, that is a tiny little brush. This is literally like taupe or blonde. This is gonna look terrible on me, but let's do it. I feel like this is a pretty dry formula. It's hard for me to have an opinion on this because it's the wrong color. It's not really showing up on my brows. It's just making them look a little bit lighter. I'm not super impressed with this. So the next thing in the box is the thing I am most excited about. This is the ColourPop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette, and I love when we get ColourPop in the box. I just think these are so beautiful. I am, of course, going to create an eye look with these. Okay, so I really love this palette. It has shades that I normally wouldn't reach for, but I really do like it, and I'm gonna use it on my lower lash line. First, I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup before I go to the next product. The ColourPop palette, by the way, retails for $16. So before I set my face with anything, I'm going to go in with the next product in the box, and that is this Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Stunner. I've never really used a liquid highlighter. This retails for $29. Very shimmery. I got way too much out. Pat this on my cheekbones. That looks pretty good. I am definitely applying way too much. I have no idea how to control myself. I applied way too much on this side, so it just kind of looks like a big glittery stripe kind of, but on this side it looks pretty good. Let's see if I can just apply just. Oh my glob, too much. It seems like it's kind of hard to blend out, like maybe I'm just not moving fast enough. I like it pretty well. I definitely think that I have to have a really light hand with it, and I just don't like that like up close. You can see every blemish I have, but I think I would play with this more. It's something that I definitely would only do when I have time. It's pretty okay. Now I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my face makeup before we get to the last product. I did take some of that Wet n Wild powder and I tried to put it on kind of a little bit on top of the highlighter to try to tone it down a little bit, and it did. But the only thing is, when I first put the powder over the highlight, it was super dry looking, almost cakey. So that's why I used some of this Mario Badescu stuff to try to melt it all into the skin, and I think it helped a lot. You definitely can still see the glow. Like I said, I used way too much, so you don't have to use that much. I definitely think that the highlighter is something I can work with. The last thing in the box is this Dulce High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is a huge liquid lipstick. This retails for $24. I don't have a shade name on this box. I think it will pair pretty good with the eyes, so let's try it out. It's got one of those flat applicators like the Tarte liquid lips do. It smells like candy. Feels really thick, but not in a bad way. It's so thick it almost feels like it's dried out, but it's not. It almost feels like a lip gloss. It's more like a satin almost. I think I really like it. And this is also a huge bottle for $24 in comparison to most other high liquid lipsticks. It's like you get a lot of product for your money. The overall value of the entire box was $138, which is amazing. We paid $21 a month for this. I was pretty pleased with everything in the box this month. I think the only disappointing product for me was the eyebrow gel, and It may have been mainly because it wasn't my right shade, but I'm sure that I have a friend that will get some great use out of it. So let me know if you liked everything in your box this month, what your favorite was, what your least favorite was. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!